Good afternoon, everyone. I am Ladylene S. Berallo, and this afternoon I will be presenting to you a justified technology-enhanced language learning activity grounded in a constructivism learning theory. So this time, I will be presenting to you the target learners, at the same time the learning theory of this activity. So for the target learners, we have the beginner English learners, ages grouped 11 to 13 years old, context with middle schools or ESL class. So the learning challenges is that limited exposure to English outside the classroom, lack of confidence in language use, limited access to diverse vocabulary context. Now, for the learning theory, this is all about constructivism. But before anything else, let me discuss to you first what is constructivism all about. So, constructivism is a kind of learning theory that suggests people or students are going to construct their own understanding and knowledge through experiences and interactions. In constructivism, learners actively create meaning by connecting new information to their existing knowledge and experiences. So this theory emphasizes the importance of hands-on learning, social interactions, contextual learning, and personal perspectives. So we are in the part of design activity, which is all about collaborative vocabulary web. So the learning objective of this activity is the students will identify and define 15 new vocabulary words related to the theme healthy living. So students will categorize and relate vocabulary through a collaborative mind map. Students will also use new vocabulary in contextually appropriate sentences. So here are the description of the activity. So step 1. So in the evolving landscape of language education, integrating technology into pedagogical design is not merely an option but a necessity. This justification elaborates on the technology-enhanced language learning activity grounded in constructivist learning theory, focusing on vocabulary acquisition for beginner English learners. The activity combines collaborative tools, Google Docs and MindMaster to promote active, contextual, and meaningful vocabulary learning. The technology-enhanced language learning, or TEL, for the activity is supported by both theoretical underpinnings and research in TEL. In conclusion, this activity exemplifies how a constructivist framework can be effectively applied to technology-enhanced language learning. By leveraging collaborative tools such as Google Docs and MindMaster, students are empowered to actively construct vocabulary knowledge through interaction, contextualization, and reflection. In the context of language education, vocabulary acquisition forms the foundation for learners' communicative competence. To address these crucial skills among beginner English learners, this activity design adopts a constructivist approach, integrating collaborative technologies to promote active and meaningful learning. Grounded in the principles of constructivism and supported by technology-enhanced language learning, or TEL research, the activity fosters learners' engagement, autonomy, and conceptual development through real-world contexts and digital collaborations.